How to contact Memrise support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can contact Memrise support. So this is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead to launch your Memrise application. Then go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. By clicking on it, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see terms of use, privacy policy, help option, delete account. So click on help. By clicking on help, you will be taken to the support page where you can check out frequently asked questions, where you can see articles that have addressed questions that you might have. So you can just go ahead to search out articles by moving to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on the search button. All right. Or you can decide to chat with a live agent on the Memrise app by clicking on the chat box by the bottom right corner. So by clicking on the chat box, you can now go ahead to send your message, make your consent known, and then an answer will be sent to you via this platform. So this is how it works. These are the various ways. There are the two ways whereby you can contact Memrise support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.